Good morning, students. We are studying unit number 4, and in unit number 4, we are studying a small chapter that is twin melodies. In this, there is a girl, her name is Shruti. She has a father and mother. She has a father, his name is Nabin Master. He was a principal of a music school, and Shruti was also very good in the music. Shruti had a dream of playing in a fusion group. So about that he talked to his father, but his father was not, you know, going to allow her. Then Shruti began to wish that she had not ventured into the whole thing. Well, I am waiting what concert. So the father was asking her about the concert, and Shruti was feeling uncomfortable. She was thinking, why I have undertaken this situation. It is not a solo program. She told her father that it is not a single solo performance. I am to be a part of group, said Shruti, trying to break the news as delicately as possible. So Shruti told him that I am going to be a part of a group. So Shruti gave this news slowly, in a very calm manner. What? An orchestra? Nabin Master looked astonished. He was shocked. An orchestra? You are going to play in an orchestra? But you are such an individualistic player. How will you play in a group? But he said, you have a habit of performing alone individually. Then how you are going to manage it? Then it is a fusion group, father, with Avinash and Peter and Iqbal and Manpreet. And she stopped abruptly. She told her father it's a fusion group. They mix the music, and she told the name of the members of the group, but she stopped. Nabin Master was a person who believed in keeping the tradition of classical music as pure as possible. He looked at his daughter thunderously. So he was so shocked, he was so angry at his daughter, because he was a person who wanted to keep the legacy of the classical music. He didn't want to interfere, to get it let it interfere by any other music. So he was quite angry. The concert is next week, said Shruti brightly. So Shruti was happy when she told him that the concert is next week. And if I say no, you can't play fusion, what will you do? Asked Nabin Master. Then Nabin Master refused Shruti to take part in that. Shruti had lain awake for many nights in the last month, wondering how she would tell her father the dreadful truth and what she would do if he forbade her. So she was, not able to sleep so many nights in the last month, because she was thinking how she is going to tell her father the terrible news, and and what she will do if his father stopped her, prohibited her. It was Avinash, the tabla player, who had first approached her with the idea of playing in a fusion band. So there was a boy, Avinash, he used to play tabla, he was a tabla player. He called Shruti. He went to Shruti at first and told her about their fusion band, and he gave her the idea to play in a fusion band. Shruti had attended the practice sessions secretly, pretending to her mother that she was taking extra coaching from the science teacher after class. So, Shruti, what she did, she lied to her mother. She attended so many practice sessions of the fusion group, and at home she has told that she is taking extra classes from her science teacher. I asked you a question, said her father. I am waiting for a reply. I hope you won't say no, Shruti said in a soft voice. Then the group is depending on me for the concert next week. Then he was requesting from his to his father to let her go to play in the group. You know my views on fusion, don't you? He said. The father said, you know what I think of fusion. I don't like fusion at all. He believed firmly that Indian classical music should never mingle with other types of music. So his belief was firm. He was, firm, stable at his view, with his view that Indian classical music should never be mixed with any other form of music. Then And here was his own daughter wanting to play fusion in some band. And the situation was quite difficult for him also, as his own daughter was willing to play her part in a fusion band. So he was not feeling good. Father, Shruti took a deep breath and continued. I know and respect your views, but it is not what you think. It is, I mean, well, why don't you come and listen to us at practice tomorrow? Practice? Huh, muttered Nabin Master. He got up and left the room angrily. Then Shruti again, she pleaded, and at last he invited his father to the practice session and asked him to listen to them. Then Nabin Master, he got angrily and he left the room. What was that about? Asked Leela Devi. Shruti told her the whole story. Then the mother came there and the mother asked that what is going on. Then Shruti told her everything. So that is what those extra classes were about, said her mother when Shruti finished. I am sorry about the deception, Ma, said Shruti. Then mother came to know that she had lied about those extra classes. Then Shruti felt sorry to her mother because of her misleading actions or her cheating. Ma, said Shruti, I was afraid. So he told her mother, that I was afraid. I was afraid, so I was not able to tell you that. It seems to me that you should have got your guru's permission before committing yourself. Then the mother shown her the right way, that you should have taken your guru's permission. आपने अपने गुरु की परमिशन आपको लेनी चाहिए थी बिफोर मेकिंग अ कमिटमेंट टू एनीवन एल्स. I know, said Shruti miserably. So Shruti was feeling bad. She said, I know that I should have taken. I should have asked earlier if I am not allowed to play. I can't think what the band will do. So she said, I should have asked earlier. Now I am thinking that if I am not going to play, what the band will do. Leela Devi looked at her only child. She looked harassed. So Leela Devi was also worried, and Shruti was annoyed and tired. Time to go to bed, said Leela Devi decisively. Then Leela Devi, she told her decision that now it's time to go to bed. Come on, no dawdling now. Then don't waste your time now. Now go to bed and sleep. I will go and tell Peter and the rest of them that I can't play with them, thought Shruti as she dreaded for school. Next day, she had spent the night tossing and turning in bed. So next day, she decided that now she is going to tell everyone about the decision she had made, that she is not going to play in the band. And at night also she was restless. She was not able to sleep. The others were waiting for her at Manpreet's house. Well, got permission yet? Asked Manpreet as soon as Shruti entered the room. So everyone was worried about the permission Shruti was going to get. So everyone was waiting for her to tell them. She realized now that all of them, Peter, Iqbal, Avinash, as well as Manpreet, had become much more than partners in music for her. They were her friends. So she realized at that time now they all have become good friends. Well, we would probably lose their friendship too. So she thought, if I'm going to refuse them, I'm going to lose their friendship also. Tell us about it later, said Peter. Tall and well built. He was fingering the keyboards, playing the notes here and chord there. So what he was doing, he was pianist. He was playing his piano at that time. Avinash was already tuning his tablas. I will play this one last time before I tell them I am out. Shruti decided that this time I will play, but afterwards I will tell them that I am not in your group now. I have not got the permission. So students, up to here only we will study today. Revise the chapter, go through it again and again. Thank you students. Have a nice day.